In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Recorder app and tap on this gear at the top right corner. Now check out and manage all of those options however you want to. Once you're done, go back and start recording thanks to this button at the bottom. Click on while using the app in the pop-up. Allow in the second one. And record your voice memo. To pause it or unpause it, use this button at the bottom right corner. To switch language of your AI speech recognition, tap on Language section here and select yours. If you want to make this section disappear, click on this plus at the top right corner. If you want to add a bookmark, unpause your recording and hit mark over here. In order to add a photo mark, select camera icon at the bottom left corner, click on while using the app, click on it again, take a photo, and to discard it, use this X. To add it, tap on the check mark. If you want to end and save your recording, click on the same middle button. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, click on it and tap on Allow. To manage it, use those options at the bottom or those three dots at the top right corner. You can also hold your recording here and manage it thanks to those options. For example, to rename it or delete it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!